whatsoever. Question number 1. Find A transpose. Find A transpose if A is equal to 1, 3, minus 4, 5. And the second example is A is equal to 2 minus 6, 1, minus 4, 0, minus 4, 0, 5. Okay? We have to find A transpose. We have to find A transpose. That is A is equal to, that is 1, 3, minus 4, 5. Then A transpose is equal to 0 is equal to 1 column. So transpose we already studied. How to find a transpose? That is 1, 3 and minus 4, 5. This is the transpose. This is the transpose. The second example is A is what? A is what? 2 minus 6, 1 minus 4, 0, 5. Right? What is A transpose? What is A transpose? 0 is equal to a column. That is 2 minus 6, 1 minus 4, 0. That is 5. And this is A transpose. This is the first example. This is the first example. This whole exercise depends on a transpose. That is, we have to find the transpose of all the matrices and then solve the in algebra. That is multiplication, addition, subtraction, kind of. Okay. This is question number 1. Now question number 2 is. Question number 2 is. Question number 2 is, if A is equal to Aij, if Aij, that is 3 by 3, where Aij is equal to 2 into I minus j, find A and A transpose state whether A and A transpose state whether A and A transpose both are symmetric or skew symmetric. Both are symmetric or skew symmetric matrices This is very easy sum. आपल्याला सांगितलंय की आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचं ते इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. पहा A दिला Aij is equal to 3 by 3 ऑर्डरची मॅट्रिक्स आहे. Aij चा फॉर्म्युला दिलाय. असं एक्झाम्पल आपण आधी पण सॉल्व केलं. हाऊ टू फाइंड अ मॅट्रिक्स बाय युजिंग दिस फॉर्म्युला. I stands for row, J stands for column, right? आता Aij is equal to into I minus j. Find A and A transpose. आपल्याला A फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे, A ट्रान्सपोज फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. State whether A and A transpose both are symmetric or skew symmetric, right? आता पहा आंसर पहा. A is equal to Aij. Order का मान 3 by 3. That is matrix A के साथ ना A11, that is A12, that is A13, A21, A22, A23, that is A31, A32, that is A33. This is the matrix. This is the order 3 by 3. Okay. This is the formula for Aij. This is This Aij is equal to carbon 2 into carbon I minus j. Aij is equal to 2 into I minus j. What is A11? That is 2 into 1 minus 1. That is 0. What is A12? That is 2 into 1 minus 2. That is minus 2. Barabar? That is A13. That is 2 into 1 minus 3. That is minus 4. That is minus 4. What is A? That is 2 1. That is 2 into 2 minus 1. That is 2. What is A22? That is 2 into 2 minus 2. That is 0. Next, what is A23? What is A23? Right? 2 2. A23. That is 2 into, that is 2 minus 3. 2 into 2 minus 3. That is minus 3. What is A31? That is 2 into 3 minus 2. That is 4. What is A32? That is 2 into 3 minus 2. That is 2. What is A33? 2 into 3 minus 3. That is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. The matrix A is ready. The matrix A is ready. That is the matrix A is. The matrix A is. What is A11? 0. That is minus 2. That is minus 4. That is 2. That is 0. That is minus 2. That is 4. That is 2. That is 0. This is the matrix A. Now, to check symmetry or skew symmetry, we have to find transpose. मी तुम्हाला ऑलरेडी शिकवले काय शिकवले म्हणून जर A is equal to A transpose असेल तर ती सिमेट्रिक असते. ती काय असते? सिमेट्रिक असते. आणि A is equal to minus of A transpose असेल तर ती काय असते? स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक. आणि स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मॅट्रिक्सची सगळ्यात मोठी प्रॉपर्टी कोणती मानतो? तिचे डायगोनल एलिमेंट 0 असतात. तिचे डायगोनल एलिमेंट काय असतात? 0 असतात. Let us check or let us find out the A transpose. That is A transpose. That is A transpose is equal to general integral form. That is 0 minus 2 minus 4. That is 2 0 minus 2. That is 4 2 0. That is A transpose. That is A transpose. आता यातून माइनस साइन मी कॉमन काढतो. माइनस साइन काय काढतो? कॉमन. A transpose माइनस साइन जर कॉमन काढलं तर आतून काय येईल? 0 minus 2 minus 2. That is 2 0 minus 2. That is 4 2 and 0. A transpose is equal to minus of, and what is this? This is the A. This is the A matrix. मग आपली सेकंड कंडिशन आहे का? ती सॅटिस्फाय. सेकंड फर्स्ट कंडिशन मध्ये सिमेट्रिक असते. सेकंड कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाय म्हणजे ऑब्वियसली काय असणार? स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक. याचे डायगोनल एलिमेंट सुद्धा काय 0 0 0. तिचे डायगोनल एलिमेंट सुद्धा काय 0 0 0. म्हणजे 100% मॅट्रिक्स मध्ये स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक. दिस इज द स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक matrix. This is the skew symmetric matrix because A transpose is equal to minus of A. That is the skew symmetric matrix. That is the skew symmetric matrix. The diagonal elements of the guy is 0. It's a symmetric or skew symmetric. This is the skew symmetric matrix. That is question number 2. येते लक्षात? आता हे सोपं एक्झाम्पल पाहू. Okay? Now the next example is question number 3. Question number 3. That is question number 3. If A is equal to 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3, 4 minus 3, minus 2 1, minus 2 1, then prove that 2A transpose is equal to 2A transpose. 2A transpose. We prove that 2A bracket transpose is equal to 2 into A transpose. Okay? आता लक्ष द्या. सर्वांना लक्ष द्या पहा. आता हे सोपं एक्झाम्पल आहे. ओके, व्हॉट इज a? What is a? That is 5 minus 3, 4 minus 3 minus 2, 1. Let us multiply with 2. That is 2a is equal to 2 times. That is 5 minus 3, 4 minus 3 minus 2, 1. Right? Multiply with 2. 5 दुने 10, 5 3 5 दुने 10, 3 दुने 7. That is minus 6. 4 दुने 8, 3 दुने 6, 2 दुने 4, 2 2. Okay, that is 2. नंतर 2a ब्रॅकेटचा ट्रान्सपोज, 2a ब्रॅकेटचा काय शोधायचा ट्रान्सपोज. 0 येते काय जेव्हा कॉल. that is 10 minus 8 minus 4. That is 2a bracket transpose. Okay. Now this is LHS. This is LHS. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Now RHS one solve it. What is A? A is 1. That is 5 minus 3 4 minus 3 minus 2 1. This is it. Now find A transpose. Now find A transpose. 0 8 all 5 minus 3 4 minus 3 minus 2 1. This is it. Now 2 into A transpose. 2 into A transpose. 2 into 5 4 minus 2 minus 3 minus 3 1. 2 into A transpose. A transpose is equal to 5 दुने 10, 4 दुने 8, 2 दुने 4, 3 दुने 7, 3 दुने 7, 2 1 2. Okay, and this is 2 into A transpose. This is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, 10 8 minus 4 minus 6 minus 6 2. This is LHS equal to RHS. From 1 and 2, this LHS is equal to RHS. That is 2a bracket transpose is equal to 2 into A transpose. 2a bracket transpose. 2a bracket transpose is equal to 2 into A transpose. This is easiest. काय होतं अतिशय सोपं एक्झाम्पल. ओके, तुम्हाला होतं ट्रान्सपोज यायला पाहिजे. हाऊ टू फाइंड ट्रान्सपोज मी तुम्हाला आधी शिकवले. डे 1 लेक्चर मध्ये टाइप्स ऑफ मॅट्रिक्स मध्ये एक कन्सेप्ट होती. दॅट इज ट्रान्सपोज ऑफ मॅट्रिक्स. दॅट इज ट्रान्सपोज ऑफ मॅट्रिक्स. तिथं आपण शिकलोय ट्रान्सपोज. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज question number 4 is there. Question number 4, that is if A is equal to that is 1 2 minus 5, that is 2 minus 3 4, that is minus 5 4 9. Then prove that 3a bracket transpose, 3a bracket 3 into A transpose. This is the same sum that we have solved earlier. That is, okay, the same example. That is A. Okay. Now answer. We have to solve LHS. That is, take A. The matrix A is 1 2 minus 5. That is 2 minus 3 4. That is minus 4 4 minus 5 4 9. Okay, then 3 into A. 3 into A is equal to 3 1 2 minus 5 2 minus 3 4 minus 5 4 9. 3 3 दुने 6 3 5 15 3 दुने 6 3 3 9 4 3 12 5 3 15 4 3 12 9 3 This is 3. This is 3. Now we have to find 3A transpose. 3A transpose. Simple. 0 is equal to John Paul. That is 3, 6 minus 15. That is 6 minus 9, 12. Minus 15, 12, 27. That is 3A transpose. Now we have to solve RHS. We have to solve RHS. That's why. What is A? A equal to 1, 2, minus 5, 2, minus 3, 4, minus 5, 4, 9. That's why we have to find A transpose. A transpose is equal to 0 is equal to 1, 2, minus 5. That is 2, minus 3, 4, minus 5, 4, 9. Okay? That is A transpose. 3 ne multiply 3 into A transpose is equal to 3 into 1, 2, minus 5, 2, minus 3, 4, minus 5, 4, 9. Okay? 3 ने multiply करा 3 ने multiply करा 3 into 3, 3 into 6, 5 3 15, 3 into 6, 3 3 9, 4 3 12, 5 3 15, 4 3 12, 3 17. That is 27. That is 3 into A transpose. Let us change this and this. 3, 6 minus 15, 6 minus 9, 12, minus 15, 12, 27. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. This is LHS and this is equal to RHS. What is LHS? That is 3A bracket transpose. 3A bracket transpose equal to 3 into A transpose. That is 3 into A transpose. 3A bracket transpose equal to 3 into A transpose. This is LHS equal to RHS. Okay? This is simple. This is very, very simple. Like this. Okay? This is question number 4. Now, the next question is the question number 5. Question number 5. That is question number 5 is if A is equal to 0, 1 plus 2i, I minus 2, that is minus 1 minus 2i, that is 0, that is minus 7, that is 2 minus I, 7, 0, where I is equal to under root of minus 1, then prove that A transpose is equal to minus of A. A transpose is equal to minus of A. Okay? We have to prove that A transpose is equal to minus of A. I want imaginary number. You know that imaginary rate in a complex number we have seen this I under root of minus 1. Okay? Now we have to prove that A transpose is equal to minus of A. हे बघा ना आपल्याला हे प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. याचा अर्थ हे जो प्रूव्ह झालं A transpose is equal to minus of A. याचा अर्थ असा झाला की स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मॅट्रिक्स. बघा ना बाळांनो A transpose is equal to minus of A. ही कंडिशन कुणाची? ही कंडिशन कुणाची? स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मॅट्रिक्सची कंडिशन. कुणाची मॅट्रिक्सची कंडिशन आहे? स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मॅट्रिक्स. तो भाग वेगळा आहे पण आपण हे सुद्धा हे प्रूव्ह करू. ओके? व्हॉट इज A? व्हॉट इज A? A is what? 0. 1 plus 2i, I minus 2, that is minus 1 minus 2i, 0, that is minus 7, that is 2 minus I, that is 7, that is 0. This is A. Okay? Find out A transpose. Find out A transpose. A transpose 0 is the column. That is 0. 1 plus 2i, I minus 2, minus 1 minus 2i, 0, minus 7, that is 2 minus I. That is 7, that is 0. Okay, 0, 1 plus 2 i. That is A transpose. Okay. Now we have to check, or we have to take common. We have to take common. A transpose is equal to the minus sign common काढ लो. आतमध्ये काय आहे 0. इथे काय आहे 1 plus 2 1. इथे काय आहे I minus 2. इथे काय आहे minus 1 minus 2 1. This is given. इथे काय आहे minus 7. इथे काय आहे 2 minus 1. इथे काय आहे 7. इथे काय आहे 0. Okay. आणि जर नीट चेक केलं तर A transpose is equal to minus of, and हे कोण आहे A वाला A हा नीट चेक करा 0 1 plus 2 I minus 2 minus 1 minus 0 minus 7, that is 2 minus 7 0. This is A transpose is equal to minus of A. But A transpose is equal to minus of parallel. A transpose is equal to minus of parallel A. Hence proof. Hence अशा पद्धतीने काय आलं क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 काय आलेला आहे प्रूव्ह झालेला आहे. हे प्रूव्ह झालं म्हणून आपण एक ऍडिशन असं पण म्हणू शकतो A and A transpose are both skew symmetric matrices. Skew symmetric matrices are both skew symmetric matrices. इतकं सिंपल. आलं लक्षात? This is question number 5. Now the next question, that is question number 6. The next question is question number 6. That is the question number 6 is if A is equal to 2 minus 5 minus 2 minus 6 1, B is equal to 2 1 4 minus 2 minus 3 3, and C is equal to 1 2 minus 1 minus 2 which show that A plus B bracket transpose A transpose plus B transpose, and the second example is A minus C bracket transpose is equal to A transpose minus C transpose. This is very easy sir. अतिशय सोपं आहे पण. चला आन्सर पहिल्यांदा आपला A matrix that is 2 minus 3 5 minus 4 minus 6 1. This is A. What is B? B is what? That is 2 1 4 minus 1 minus 3 3. Okay, this is A and B. Let us find A transpose. What is A transpose? जो है वो पहले चल पाऊँ. That is 2 minus 3 5 minus 2 minus 6 1. This is A transpose. What is B transpose? जो है वो पहले 2 1 4 minus 1 minus 3 3. This is B transpose. हाँ अलग A transpose बेटा. RHS में देखा है A transpose अधिक B transpose. That is equal. What is A transpose? That is 2 5 minus 6 minus 3 minus 4 1, and plus what is B transpose? That is 2 4 minus 3 1 minus 1 3. Okay, I don't want to very serious. That is 2 plus 2 4 5 plus 4 that is 9 minus 6 minus 3 that is minus 9 minus 2 minus 5 1 plus 3 that is 4. This is A transpose plus B transpose. Now we have to find A plus B now. We have to find A plus B. What is A? That is 2 minus 3 5 minus 4 minus 6 1. plus what is b? B is 1, 2, 1, 4 minus 1, that is minus 3. Okay, we have to add these two matrices, that is 2 plus 2, 4, minus 2, 9 minus 5, that is minus 9, that is 4. This is a plus b, nantar a plus b bracket transpose 0 is 4 minus 2 9 minus 5 minus 9 4, and we have to check this and this matrix, that is 4 9 minus 9 minus 2 minus 5 4 from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, this LHS equal to RHS, that is A plus B bracket transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. This is very easy sum. This is very easiest sum right now. अतिशय सोपं एक्झाम्पल आहे बाळांनो, अतिशय म्हणजे अतिशय सोपं एक्झाम्पल आहे. अशा पद्धतीने तुम्ही जे एक्झाम्पल नंबर 2 आहे, एक्झाम्पल नंबर 2 आहे ते तुम्ही काय करायचं आहे बाळांनो. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 2 इज होमवर्क. दिस इज द होमवर्क फॉर टुडेज लेक्चर. This is the homework. This is homework. This is the homework for today's lecture. Okay. You have to solve this question number 2. In example question number 6 मध्ये जो 2 आहे, सेकंड आहे, तो तुम्ही ह्या एक्झाम्पलचं काय करायचं आहे, काय करायचं आहे, सॉल्व करायचं. सेम ह्याने. ओके. आलं लक्षात? अतिशय सोपं आहे, अतिशय सोपा आहे. ओके, मग इथं आपण थांबूया बाळांनो. आपली डिटर्मिनंट आणि मॅट्रिक्सची शेवटची एक्सरसाइज सुरू आहे. शेवटची एक्सरसाइज इज 4.7. 7 एक्सरसाइज आपण पाहिलेले आहे 1 to 7. त्याचा व्यवस्थित अभ्यास करा, म्हणजे हा चॅप्टर एकदा झाला कंप्लीट तर व्यवस्थित येऊन जाईल तुम्हाला. आलं लक्षात? नेक्स्ट पार्ट आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला बघू. ओके, थँक्यू.